Whew. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is in. Let's find out what's inside the box, although seeing the chip itself, we pretty much know that something is removed. It's good that they didn't make fun of a company for doing that. Twice. Anyway, let's find out what's inside. It's a flying phone. You're seeing this, right? That's peculiar. YOLO? Okay, I gotta be fair, I didn't expect to have a flying phone when I was unboxing this. But I guess I have one. Yeah. Anyway, let's check out this flying Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, let's complete the unboxing and hope stuff doesn't fly away again. Looks cool though. Imagine if you have to deal with it more. Now in terms of unboxing, of course you get your cable, your warranty card and of course your quick start guide and your SIM injection tool. So let's talk about the box a little bit more because we need to talk about Samsung and how it's looking like a hypocrite right now. Let's say it like this. They said, let's not remove the headphone jack, make a commercial and make fun of the company that did, and remove it a year later. Then the power adapter, again, make fun of it and we still ship with it and then remove it as well. And that's not the only thing that they removed. They also removed the micro SD card. It's still dual SIM by the way. That is highly frustrating because I have been using the micro SD for years now. I cannot remember when I did not use it on a smartphone. The removal is again just showing that Samsung for me is walking a wrong and weird path. That feels like they have enough power and they know it and they feel like they can just remove stuff and people will still buy it. For myself, I only bought it to review and of course to see how it is. Those who use the SD don't use it for speed, they use it for convenience. Just a quick swap of data between different mediums, not having everything online and a backup on your phone itself for music but also videos you recorded previously. This includes me. And then of course you also can expand your storage if you are running out of it. But mainly the reason they removed it is that you simply have to buy the more expensive version because you feel like you're running out of storage or you feel like, what if I don't have enough storage? That is just annoying. Guess I'll have to get the 256GB version. And the people that are thinking that are mentally already thinking about the 512GB version as well. Clever for making more money, but let's not pretend it is for anything else like the power adapter being removed out of the box. Xiaomi has done it right in this case. Give people the option for the same price, power adapter or not. But let's talk about the phone. In terms of design, I really do like it. Because, well, I designed the same thing. I don't know how long it takes to get the outside done, but it really does look like a carbon copy of what I showcased online with a very unique design, not an island like many others do. Either way, in terms of camera setup, I really like the versatility here. You get 4 cameras. You get your periscope, that is now 10 times zoom. You get your wide, your ultra wide and your 3 times zoom. This 3 times zoom is actually quite handy for the in-between shots. Because with the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra and you zoom in for instance 2 times, it would be digital zoom. Because the periscope wouldn't activate I think until you zoomed in 4 times. Meaning again it was digital. With this 3 times zoom that is now fixed, you have this in between. And just like the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, it shares that 108 megapixel sensor. It's not the same sensor by the way. But unlike the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, it doesn't have the issues of focusing, and that is because they fixed that. Because just like the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, you now have a laser focus system. This allows it to have much faster and better focusing. Something, by the way, I find odd. How did Samsung not find this out during the testing phase? But yeah, overall the design really looks good, even more so in this black. But one thing that I did notice is that the paint isn't perfect. You see some lines at the corners and it's odd, and I'm not alone in this. Max also shared this on his Twitter with his pre-units. I can tell, but if you don't look for it, I guess it's not that noticeable. In terms of display, of course, it's a beautiful display. Samsung knows how to make displays. And again, it's a good looking display here. But now, of course, having a proper adaptive refresh rate as well. Something that also supports it at full resolution, meaning you get 120 Hz at that full resolution. And while it has curves, it doesn't have that Samsung curve that we know from the past. It has a subtle curve, and not something that we see on other phones with waterfall displays. As a phone, I still think it's interesting. But to get the complete phone, Samsung wants you to spend more, to invest more. I'm really not a fan of companies doing this. And slowly but surely, Samsung is turning into an Apple for Androids. Anyway, I hope that the phone will give me a better experience with the display, but of course also the camera setup. And of course, if you enjoyed this video and you possibly want to see more flying phones, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Giving a video a like and comment below also truly helps out. And of course, let me know what color you would have gotten this. And of course, what you think about the choices Samsung made here. Either way, have a good one and talk to you guys in the next.